Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about floor opening safety at construction site. Floor openings on a job site can occur during construction, renovation or repair works. They are hazardous because workers may fall through them and or may be struck by objects that fall through openings. Workers should know about floor openings, guarding and covers, and understand the use of fall protection appropriate to their work sites and job duties. To work safely around the floor openings and to prevent injuries or accident, follow these simple safety tips. Conduct a hazard assessment to determine any dangerous areas associated with floor openings or manholes before allowing workers to enter the project or workplace. Workers should be aware of all areas that pose a fall risk and should be trained how to work safely avoid these hazards. If construction work in progress required floor openings to be temporarily uncovered, access to these areas should be strictly controlled at all times. The floor area near the floor opening should be barricaded or covered by a material of substantial integrity or cordon off with guardrails when it is not attained by authorized personnel doing the work. The cover must be capable of supporting at least 200 pounds load, be larger than opening, secured against displacement and labeled with floor opening. Do not remove. A qualified person before each shift and after strong wind conditions should verify the placement of floor opening covers. If you make a hole or floor opening, guard it. Before cutting the hole, barricade the work area to keep the people out. Fasten the cover so that it is not easily removed. Use clips on the underside that fit into the hole to prevent sliding. Notify your supervisor if there are any unguarded openings on the job site. And floor openings must always be identified with warning signs or caution tapes. These are the safety instructions to work near floor openings at construction site. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and share these videos. Have a safe day.